Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Prokey Optimum hardware wallet. So right now I'm on their official website, and as you can see, this hardware wallet currently supports over 3200 different coins and tokens. And you can find a complete list of all the supported cryptocurrencies on their official website. The price of this hardware wallet is $69 and it's only available in black color. Shipping, however, is free for the customers who are from the ASEAN region, and for the rest of the world, these are the shipping charges. I personally ordered it using FedEx Express service because it was the most economical option, and I received my wallet within 5 working days. So, in terms of contents of the box, it includes one hardware wallet, 2 USB cables, 3 recovery sheets, which I will be showing you later on. And as far as compatibility is concerned, this wallet works with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android devices. The weight of this hardware wallet is 16.7 grams, and it's made of ABS plastic, no batteries required. So now let's unbox this hardware wallet. These are the contents of the box: a quick start guide and the hardware wallet itself. Around the edges of the hardware wallet, this is one of the 2 micro USB cables that's included in the box. The quality of this cable, however, is not so good, so I reached out to the customer support and they told me that they are going to replace this cable. Then there are these 3 recovery sheets along with a secondary USB cable. The quality of this product is good considering the price, and it's lightweight, easy to carry. The only downside is that it only supports 3200 coins and tokens at the moment, which I'm sure is going to change once they release a newer firmware upgrade. Follow the instructions on this page. So the new firmware successfully installed. You may unplug your Prokey. Let me just quickly unplug it. Pause the video here for a second. Okay, so now let me just go back to the Prokey wallet. And let me plug in hardware wallet once again. Let me just quickly install the latest update. As you can see, now I will create new wallet, and I'm prompted to confirm that I want to create a wallet on my device now. So let me just confirm that. And as you can see, this is the interface. So now let me just quickly secure my wallet, and yeah, this is it. So thank you for watching this video. Take care and have a nice day.